It's super insane, guys. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get MeChat MOD. So this will give you unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it on because this is the mod menu, and let's see if our gems go up. So as you can see at the moment, we only have 2,470. So let's see if it increases. So I'm just going to see if this goes up. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, it says they were added. So let's see if they do start increasing or not. And no increase, but maybe it will happen. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you how to get this MeChat mod. So you can get unlimited gems 2025. So let's go. So this is actually really easy. All you have to do is go over to tweakmod.com. So this is the website. So in this site, guys, just type MeChat, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. What you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's loading up right now. So yeah, so we're just going to let it load, as you can see. So just give it a second, and then we should be good to go. So yeah, basically we just got to verify our device. It's really easy. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game. And then there's like, you know, TikTok, which says download for 30 seconds, Travel Town, reach level 9. So just make sure you do 2 of them, you're going to be good to go.